Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add a married or maiden name to your Facebook profile. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So just navigate over to your Facebook profile page and you want to select the About tab. And now on the left side, you want to select where it says Details About You. On the right side, underneath Other Names, click where it says Add a Nickname, a birth name, just select that. Where it says Name Type, click the drop down, and you can select maiden name, married name, etc., former name perhaps, birth name, whatever you would want it labeled as here. It's different than actually changing your name. This is just adding a married name in here. And then once you're done, you just would select where it says Save. If you want it to be shown at the top of your profile, you can just check mark inside of there and select Save. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to do that. And if you want to delete it, just select the three-dot icon next to it and then select delete name, select confirm, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.